Hi, Chris. This is Haley from Toriar Digital Marketing. Thank you for letting us send this quick video to you. I want to make this video to give you 3 quick tips on how to use Google's language on your website so that you guys can start appearing at the top of more customer search results so you can get more business. Our owner, Brianna, used to own her own roofing company out in Alaska, so we're familiar with the struggles that contractors go through, and we're understanding that when you own a business, you don't necessarily have time to sit in front of the computer and make the internet work for you. And we find that the biggest reason businesses don't hire a marketing company to do this for them is because you're not sure who you can trust. Knowing who's going to be an expert versus who's going to be a waste of time and money. We believe in giving value up front, and we've been making these custom plans of attack and giving them away for free. There's still a lot of businesses that have been reaching back out to us asking for our help in getting this completed. We're so confident in our ability to deliver results that we are only taking on one exclusive client for the Birmingham area. And we don't want to compete with the results that we're bringing. So if after this video you see we know our stuff, don't hesitate to reach back out to us and let's see if we're a good fit for working together and getting you the results your business deserves. If you want to use this information to just make changes for yourself, please do. It's free education. So the 3 quick tips I have for you guys is content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm on your homepage here and it's pretty basic. The Google wants to rank you in the keywords for content, and they don't really care about the look of your site. The look is just for the customers. So they're using bots called crawlers to search your whole site for keywords that they can rank you for in the search results. So you guys look like you have a lot of service areas, so probably keywords for all of these areas would be awesome. It's recommended to have 1,500 words on your homepage and 500 words on each back service page. So when you have a keyword that you want to get ranked for, 100 words of content to support it is the rule of thumb. When you have your site built this way, it shows Google you're an expert in your industry, and Google will be putting your website at the top of more search results. I did want to mention this. When I went to your website, it says not secure. And when Google finds that you're a not secure website, they could see your site as spam and not rank you for that. And also, if you have someone coming in requesting an inspection or filling out a form, they could get their information or your information from this site hacked. So I wanted to recommend that you guys get your website secured. So I have a keyword here that I've searched, roofers, Birmingham, Alabama. And I know that you're not right in Birmingham, but you're a Birmingham area, and it does go out quite a ways. So this is when customers search, they'll go right up to this, and this is the Google My Business, the Map Pack, or the GMB. These are geographically based, so I know you have more than one service area. You'll want to get individual listings for each area that you serve. You want to get your contact information, photos, and website listed. Once you get that done, you want to put your contact information into citations. These are online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, BBB. There are thousands of them, but the goal is to have your information on at least 100 directories more than your competitors to start ranking in the top 3, which is where the customers are going to call the most when they're looking up roofers Birmingham. So when down here is the organic search results. Google rotates the top 3 sites just randomly, and the top 2 right now are those directory sites, BBB and Angie. Third is Hinkle Roofing. They're going to be your top competitor. So let's go take a look at their site. So they have more pictures. I didn't think you guys had a picture. They have pictures. They have some more content, and they have a map. They have some cool features. That's a pretty nice site. So what we can do is go look at this paid tool that we have here called Ahrefs. We use this to look behind the scenes of your website. So right now, this is Ridgeline Roofing and Restoration. Google is ranking you this is for your homepage, and this is for your entire website. They are the rankings 0 to 100 and this is comparing you to every website on the internet. So out of 100, your homepage has an 8, and out of 100, your whole site has a 4.5. And Google makes this determination based on the backlinks that you have. So backlinks are links from other sites pushing traffic to you. Right now you have 199 backlinks coming from 31 different sites. So all backlinks are not created equal, and that is why we recommend getting high-ranking, high-quality backlinks that are relevant to your industry. You could actually have backlinks that are hurting you. So this is resulting in 15 keywords being noticed and 2 traffic a month. So we can definitely get that up. Because people are searching for Birmingham roofing and North Alabama roofing, and we can tell that from your competitors. Hinkle Roofing is they have a stronger site. They don't have a much stronger site here. They have a stronger homepage, like I was saying. They have 1,500 backlinks coming from 275 different sites. They are ranking for 2,200 keywords, and they're getting all over 2,000 traffic a month. So even if only half of those people fill out a form, that's over 1,000 roof opportunities per month. So you can see that ranking is important in the Birmingham area because people are searching and they want their roofs done. So let's recap. On your homepage, you want at least 1,500 words on this homepage and 500 on each back service page. For every keyword that you want to target, get 100 words of content to support it. You'll want to get individual Google My Business listings for all of the areas that you serve. Get contact information into at least 100 more directories than your competitors. Go get high quality, high ranking backlinks that are relevant to the roofing industry. So if you do these 3 steps, you'll be ranking #1 across Google in your area. I know it was a lot of information, but if you take it and apply it, you're going to love the results. My team is looking for some feedback to know if we delivered good value in this video. If you did want help getting this stuff done and you're interested in being our exclusive Birmingham, North Alabama area client, give us a call. We can have a chat and let's make sure we're a good fit and we can get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or even employees if you need to work on growing your staff. We will follow up in the next few days and get feedback on the video. Thank you so much for letting us send it to you. I hope that you got good value out of it. Have a good day. Thanks.